Where is the practice assignments there? Because questions like linear equation has a variety of questions, a vast variety of questions. Polynomial has questions from the relation between coefficient and, you can say, coefficient and zeros. Variety
Yes,
of
sir.
questions can be there. Like that's a very good topic to ask from in the school exams from RD as well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hiba, tell me the question number, dear.
14.
14.
It's the first question given.
Father age.
Yes, sir.
Just let me take the screenshot of it and paste it down in the notebook. So Adil, try the question, okay, dear? These kind of questions will be asked. I've told you that's just a second. Let me paste it here. Where is it? Yes, it's my notebook here.
Sir,
Yes,
these
Hiba.
questions, are these like a common question in both standard and basic paper? Or?
Yes, basically these are the previous years of CBSE. As you can see that Delhi 2019, sorry.
So this question was there for both standard and basic.
Yes,
right?
yes. As you already told me that this similar type of question was there in the school exam, like previous one, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
basically, in standard, you will get some good questions from RD. So NCRT will be there. There is no like doubt that NCRT won't be there. NCRT will be there. Like 75 to 80% of paper will be from NCRT directly. Like the values can be changed or the naming, but the similar type of questions from NCRT about 80, 70, like around 80%, 80 to 85%. Only 2 to 3 questions or 4 questions maximum from RD. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let's solve it down. What I'm saying basically, the question, what is basically question is saying, a father's age is 3 times the sum of basically sum of the 2 ages of his children. After 5 years, his age will become 2 times the sum of their ages. Find the present age of the father. Basically, the question is saying, suppose, just a second. Just a second, actually, my laptop got hanged. Just give me a moment.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, actually. Is my screen now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So basically,
Yes, sir.
actually my laptop is getting a little bit heated, so that's why it's not working properly. I don't know what has happened. So Hiba and Adil, what we can do here, this question is of 2 variables. So let's take this as X be the age of father and Y be the, because it's saying that find the age of father. It's not saying the find the age of the children. So Y be the sum of his children. If it is the saying that find the age of the children, so then we have to basically assume the 3 variables. X be the father age, Y be the children, one children age, and Z be the another children age. So it would be a 3-variable equation. So we need 3 variable to solve them up.
Yes, sir.
So that's why the question is only saying find the present age of the father. So just we need to assume that the X is be the age of father because it's individual, and Y be the age of some of his children. Basically, Y be the sum
Yes,
of
sir.
his children's age. So question is saying that father's age is 3 times the sum of his age. So now Hiba and Adil, tell me which one is greater? Father age is greater or sum of the children age is greater?
Father age.
Father's age is greater.
Father age is greater. So now tell me in which variable you are going to multiply 3, X or Y?
Why?
Very good. Y. If you multiply it with 3, so after that you will be able to equate them, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, Hiba? Adil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is our equation first. Second is saying after 5 years, his age will be 2 times the sum of their ages. So let's add 5 times both the terms. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2 will be multiplied because father age will also increase and this will also increase. So its age become 2 times of their sum of their ages. Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Is there any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes,
What we
sir.
can do now, we can put the value of X here. Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes,
won't
sir.
we multiply in equation 2y plus
Yes, you
2
can
into
also.
y and 2 into 5?
Yes, you
like
can
that.
do that as well. Yes. So 3 plus y, 3y plus 5 equals to 2y plus 10. You can take the variable on one side and constant on one side.
One side.
10 minus
So minus 5. So y equals to 5
5.
basically. So there's some basically this could be 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3. Yes or no? One
Yes,
of the
sir.
children
Yes, sir.
can be 1 plus 4, 1 year old, and one of the children can be 4 year old, or any one of the children can be 2 years old or 3 years old. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is, so basically it's saying 5. So just put the value here.
X is equal to 15.
So father says this basically the age of father is 15. So it's a child marriage. So you can see that it's a child marriage, which is not legal in India or anywhere in the world, I think so.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir. Actually, the reason why I got confused was I wasn't getting the question because the sum of two children
got it.
was there, right? So I
Yeah, got
searched it online and they had different methods. So I was like, I'll
No,
ask. Sir.
no issues, no issues. Is this clear, dear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
I think we have made one mistake. It's 5. No, we haven't made.
In the website, I checked it's 45.
We have 5 now. The question is saying this. Just let me a moment. Okay, we have done one. We have made one mistake. Sorry for that. It could be 10. Why 10? Can anyone tell me? Can anybody tell me why 10? Can anybody tell me why 10 we are taking?
So 10 is the final answer?
No. Can anybody tell me why 10? Hiba?
Uh,
The father
Now tell me if
5.
basically.
so it's
Okay,
y
just
plus
no.
5.
Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, just 1 second. Adil, after 5 years, you will be somewhere
sir.
else. Hiba, after 5 years, you will be somewhere else. And after 5 years, I will be somewhere else. Just assume. If I'm taking your sum So what will be there? 5 plus 5. You are not, you are individual basically. So 10 will be the sum of your lifetime. Yes or no? If I'm taking the
Yes,
sum
sir.
of your ages or anything. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Is this clear why I'm taking 10?
Yes, sir.
I just got that like
Oh, so like 5, 5. Sum
got
of
it
2.
5 plus 5. Sum of two
Yes,
children.
sir.
Let me write it down here. 5 plus 5. Is that clear? I was just also missed the point missed also that point. So it would be x plus 5 equals to
Is equal to
2y plus
2y
20.
plus
plus
20.
So this
10
would
plus
be x minus 2y equals to 15. Is that clear?
Yes,
We
sir.
have just shifted the value. So you can 3y minus 2y is equals to 15. So y is equals to 15. So the sum of their ages can be 3 by 312, or you can say 411. You can say 10 5. You can say 8 7. Is this the only possibility? I think so. And 9,6. I'm just taking a like possibility. I'm not taking like you don't have to write these in the school exams as well. I'm just telling you what can be the possibility of those children basically, which I take, which the sum of their ages is 15. No? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
yes, sir.
So the father age will be x is equals to 3y. So father is not child marriage. There is no child marriage. Okay. 15, 45 years. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Hiba, any doubt in
Yes,
any
sir.
of the question apart from this?
No, sir.
Uh,
Actually, I don't know because I was just doing that question.
Okay, sure. Like I've sent you around 10 questions around. I think 9 or 10 questions are there.
Yeah, but 1 minute.
If you can solve all the question of this book, of this basically PYQs, that's a very good thing as well. I think they are none of the one is joining. So no issues, as we have already started the class. It's already half an hour late.
Yeah, the given
Yes.
questions were 14, 25, and 27.
Total number of questions around 5 na? Oh, sorry, 10 around.
No, 3. It says question 14, 25, and 27 for substitution method.
Okay. Just a second. And then 4. Just a second. Yes, only 3 questions were there. Sorry for that. I just confused. Yes, 3 questions were there. 14, 25, and 27, I think.
Yes, sir.
14, 25, and 27. 25 is already the same which I have told you in the previous class. Similar type of question. And 27 is also a similar type of question, but it's a little bit different. And 28 is same as the example what we have done. As I told you that CBSE takes the question from example as well. So be careful about it. Okay.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
miss any example in any of the topic in any of the chapter. Okay, Adil? From science and mathematics, don't miss any example. NCERT is
Okay,
a,
sir.
you can say is a very like, it's a very thin book, but the extraction, when you basically expand it, takes expansion of NCERT, it's a very huge, it's become RD Sharma. So that's why RD is a little, that's why RD is so thick, but NCERT is so thin. Because NCERT has very concise theory. So you have to understand that theory. If you are good, then you can understand the lines. In polynomials, the one line I told you, zero polynomial, which is there in the NCERT. So this can be a 1 marker question in your exams as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's solve the question from RD. Yes or no? If
Yes,
you
sir.
have like, do you have any problem with the RD?
No, sir.
Shall we? Adil? Adil, you are muted.
Yes, sir, we can do.
Yeah, that's great. Because you are going to get the question from RD as well. So that's why I'm just taking some practice numeric so that you can understand which type of question can be there.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just let me find it out for you. Have you solved the polynomials chapter?
Yes, sir. I'm done with the examples. I'm doing the polynomials questions in
From
addition.
NCERT? Okay, addition. Very
No,
good.
addition.
Like if I give you, okay, just a sec. In the next class, graphical representation, I will be taking the plotting of graph as well. So it's a very short topic basically, not tougher topic. Two marker question can be there from plotting the graph. Arel, did you have any question from plotting the graph?
No, sir, there was no graph questions.
There was no graph question. Okay, dear. That's we will be taking question like you can say the word problems. Because word problems are very good in addition.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so one question is there. So should I dictate it? Can you write it down in the notebook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, no need to. Let me write it down. Because after some time you will need give me 100 and I shall then become twice as rich as you. Okay. The another says, the other replies. Write it down on a notebook as well.
Okay, sir.
The other replies, if you give me 10, I shall be simply 6 times as rich as you. Perfect. What is their respective capital? You have to find the original amount that they have. Can you give it a try?
Yes, sir.
So give me. Yeah, let me know whether which one you have got. Okay. Two minutes are there to solve it. Okay. If not, we will solve it together.
Sir, will it be like this? Let one friend be X and other be Y?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Any answer?
I got the equations.
What's the equation here?
No, sir, I'm
X plus
confused with the question.
Yes, yes. One by one, one by one.
x plus 100 is equal to 2 into y plus 100.
Okay, this is Hiba answer. Yes, Adil, what's your answer?
No, twice
Sir, I'm
in
confused with the
bracket.
question.
2y in bracket. This is
Yes, sir.
okay. Adil, what's your answer?
Sir, I'm confused with the question.
Yeah, you're confused. No issues. No issues here. Let's solve it together. Okay, Hiba. So let's first understand whether you have done it right or wrong. So let me just a second. Let me write it down. Actually, why I got tangled. So just tell me. If I suppose Adil, you and me are talking like this. Okay. I'm saying that Adil, give me 100 rupees. I will be twice as rich as you. Hiba, got it?
Yes, sir.
Adil, unmute yourself dear for a little bit.
Yes, sir.
We are talking, we are taking 100, like I'm saying that Adil, give me 100 rupees. So I am gaining, like I like the 100 will be positive on my side. Yes or
sir.
no? Because I am getting 100 from your side.
Yes, sir.
And 100 will be negative from your side because you are losing it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can I write this as x plus 100? Let me just a second. Let x be the amount. Let x be Lx and x and y be the amount. Respectively. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I am gaining 100, Adil. You are losing 100. Hiba, got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because Adil is giving me 100 rupees now.
Yes, sir.
After losing 100 rupees, I will be twice richer.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
after losing, Adil will lose 100 rupees after giving me. So if I multiply that thing which is left with Adil, if you multiply it with 2, then it will become equal. Then it will be equal to me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's solve this equation here. So it would be x plus 100 is
100
equals to
into
2y minus
2y
200.
is 2.
So x minus 2y will be equals to minus of 300, which is equation 1. Like you can solve these equations with any of the method. Nothing is specified like elimination or substitution. In some of the question, the only thing will be written there, solve the equations. Nothing mentioned is nothing like none of the method is mentioned. So you can do any of the method. If there is specifically mentioned substitution or elimination, you have to do that.
So,
Got it?
sir, the
Yes.
second equation
sir.
will be y plus 10 is equal to 6
Yes.
into x minus 90.
X minus. Just a
Since
second.
like
Okay, so Hiba, just a second. So its question is
yes,
basically saying now it's now the second line I'm saying. I ask Adil. Now Adil is saying if I give Adil 10 rupees, Adil will be 6 times as rich as me.
yes, sir.
Yes. So I am losing 10 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes,
Adil
sir.
is gaining 10
10
rupees. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I am smaller now.
Yes, sir.
Hiba, got it? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes.
wouldn't it be like this? Since the other friend will say, if you give me 10, I will be 6 times rich as you. So y plus 10 is equal to 6 into x and minus 90 because 100 he had. And
No.
if you
No. They are
no,
talking their original amount. This is not done after the statement is not after they giving 100 rupees. No. Be careful about it. Answer is not that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They
Yes,
are
sir.
just, Adil and me are just having conversation. We haven't exchanged the money yet. Okay. I'm
Yes, sir.
saying that Adil, if you give me 100 rupees, I will be twice as rich as you. And Adil is saying, if you give me 10 rupees, I will be 6 times as you. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So that's why we haven't changed the money yet.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this will be,
Yes, sir.
as Adil, if I multiply it with x with 6, then I will be become equal to I will be equal to Adil. Sorry, I just I had a call. That's why it was urgent. So that's why I just interrupted. So
Okay,
just
sir.
like, so now tell me, Hiba, is this clear? Is this step clear?
Yes, sir. I got the first part right, and then it just got messed up after 6.
You got the first part wrong. You just
Yeah.
added the
No, no,
100 to
no.
the
In
y as well.
second equation. In second
Okay.
equation.
Okay. No issue. So we can simplify this as 6x minus 60 is equals to y plus 10. So basically it would be 6x minus y is equals to 70. This is our equation 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So x minus 2y is equals to minus of 300 and 6x minus y is equals to 70. What we can do any of the thing. Either you can use substitution or elimination. I will go with elimination in this question. Okay. It's a mixed
Yes, sir.
question. It's a basically this class is completely dedicated for the numerical. So you can use any of the method. So I'm just going with the elimination. So you can multiply this with 2 to get the value 2y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
X minus 2y equals to minus 300. 12x
12x
minus 2y is
minus
equals
2y,
to 140.
140.
Minus, plus, and minus. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2y
Yes,
will be
sir.
cancelled out this, and minus of 13x will be there. Not 13x, 11x, sorry. Minus of
11,
11x.
11.
Yes, sir.
Minus of 11x will be there. Equals to, how much is it?
Minus 440.
440, minus 440. So x will be equals to 40. 11 4s are 44, and 0 is as it is. Is this clear,
Yes, sir.
Hiba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we have got the value of x. So we can substitute here. X
Yes,
minus 2y is equals to minus 300. So x would be 40. Minus 2y is equals to minus 300. So 40 will be here, will be taken here. Minus 2y is equals to minus 340. Minus will cancel out this minus, and y will be 170. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now we have got the original capital here. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we can verify how. Like Adil, now add 100 rupees to this, and add or like subtract 100 rupees to this. This would be 140. This would be 70.
Yes, sir.
So 7. If you multiply it by 2, this would be 140 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Again, so next question. Next thing is that but the second one, if Adil was saying that give me 10 rupees. Adil, how much if you get 10 rupees, this will be 180.
Yes, sir.
So if I subtract 10 from here, it would be 30.
Yes, sir.
30 into 6,
30 into 6.
180.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Hiba, Adil?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, that's it. So we can have one more question in this, and then that's why RD is very good book. Okay. Let's take one more question here. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a moment. So we can have this question. This would be similar of this type. This is let me take one more. Yes, the question is a fraction is such that if the numerator is multiplied by 3 and the denominator reduced by 3, we get 18 by 11. But if the numerator is increased by 8 and the denominator is doubled, we get 2 by 5. Find the fraction. Can you solve it?
Yes, sir. Sir, is it 80? What is
18 by 11. Multiplied by 3, we get, and reduced by 3, we get 18 by 11.
Yes.
Okay. And this is 2 by 5. Yes, all of you, any answer? Around 4 minutes has been passed, but no answer from your side. Yes. All of you?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
got the
any
first
answer?
equation.
Okay, forgot the first equation, no issues. Let's solve this here. Adil, any answer from your side, dear? Let x be the y be the denom. Okay, so fraction will be x by y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
We haven't done anything like unique, just a little bit. We have assumed that. The question is first saying that if you multiply the numerator by 3 and reduce the denominator by 3, so what will be there?
3x
3x divided by y minus of 3, we
minus
get
3.
18 by 11.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Cross
Yes.
multiply them.
33
33x is equals
x
to 18
minus
y minus 54.
y minus 54.
So this will be 33x minus 18y equals to minus of 54. So this is our equation first.
You
Yes or no?
can take 3.
3 common as well. Yes, we will take.
Yes.
We can take 3 common. So this would be
11x
11x minus 6y equals
is
to
equal
minus
to
18.
minus 18.
So this is our equation first. Okay. So next thing is saying that if the numerator is increased by 8 and a denominator is doubled, we get the fraction 2 by 5. So this would be x plus 8 divided by 2y equals to 2 by 5. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Cross multiply them. 5x plus 40,
40 is equal to 4y.
4y. This would be 5x minus 4y is equals to minus 40.
Yes, sir.
You can do any other thing. Either you can say here x is what 24. So 24 we have to multiply them basically. So just let's substitute or not. Yes, we can substitute one at a time. How? We can say that 4y is equals to 5x plus 40. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Y is equal to 5x
Okay.
plus 45.
Y equals to 40 by 5. So we can do one thing as well. We can say that. Okay. Just a second. 5x by plus 40 by 4 is equals to y. Okay. So let's put that thing in the y section. X minus 6 into 5x plus 40 divided by 4. Yes or no? Is equals to minus 18. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this would be 11x 3 and 2.
Yes.
Yes or no? So
Yes.
this would be minus of 3
Yes.
5x plus 40 divided by 2 minus 18. So we can take LCM here. So this would be 22x minus 3 5x plus 40 is equals to 18 minus of 18. Next thing, so 22x minus 15x minus 120 divided equals to minus of 36. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 22x minus this, 7x will be left and 120 will be in positive minus 36. So this would be 30, 90 and 84. So x would be 84 by 7. So it would be 12. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's put the y here. So we have got the value of y. So y will be 5x plus 40 divided by 4. So 5 into 12 plus 40 divided by 4, which is 100 by 4. 5, 12, 5 is 60, 60 plus 40, 100, 100 by 4,
Yes, sir.
25. Let's match the value of the answer. Yes, it's correct. So fraction is
Sir, is this
x by y is equals to 12 by 25. Yes, dear. What? Ariba, yes.
these questions are there in addition? No?
Yes, these questions are there in addition.
I think
Page number 3.84. Illustrative example first. And the above question was from page number, I think, page number 3.77. Like I have the addition. Which addition is it? This is 8th addition, which I have. Is that clear, Hiba and Adil?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So, dear both of you, just give me a moment. Let me take the pen. Yes. So, dear Adil and Hiba, we are done with the substitution and elimination method. Like in the first example, I've taken elimination. In the second, we have taken substitution. So, we can use any of the method if nothing is mentioned. So, we have done with these algebraic methods. Only the graphical method is left, which is only one topic class, and the plotting of graph as well. Yes or no?
Sir.
Any doubt, Hiba?
No, sir. Sir,
Adil, yes.
these questions are not there.
Maybe page number would be different because the addition has some different, basically sequence. Different addition
Yes,
have different. So which is your addition?
This is like
On the first page, like on the first page, turn down where the price is written. Opening the book, first page. Just first page, written it down.
it's just written the price. That's it. There's no
8th revised edition 2015 is written here. In
yes, yes. In this, it's 2022. That's like last
okay,
year.
okay. So that's a very like basically the latest edition. So maybe you can say that page number is different, but the question would be there as well because RD is not changing its content. You can see, you can know that, basically. Because RD is a standard book which is following all that, basically the complete syllabus.
Yes,
So
it's there.
It's there, so it won't be changing maybe sequence would be different because some questions can be reduced, or you can say the text font.
Yes, sir.
So, but the question would be there because RD is not going to change its, you can say, the questions because it's a standard book. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's end this class here, dear. All of you, Adil, Hiba.
Yes, sir.
I think Adil has some issue, like he's not well. So that's a very great thing for, like we have done this chapter. We are already completed. Only one class will be taken for the next thing. So after that, we'll be starting with chapter. Like, okay, I'll ask from